Hey Chef Frankson, we have a tour for you today.
How are you guys? Welcome to the Introduction to Cooking program. I'm Chef Frankson, and in our program we have a program that's designed to teach the students the basic fundamentals of cooking and baking. Students do 20 weeks of baking and then 20 weeks of cooking. We start off with the baking so the students can get acclimated to the kitchen, learn how to work with all the industrial equipment that we have. They learn how to do culinary math, right? Sanitation, safety, which then leads them into the culinary program in the second half of the year, where the students work on knife skills, they work on making soups and sauces. We also prepare the students with a portfolio. The portfolio has a resume and cover letter and stuff in it that will prepare them for interviewing for colleges and then eventually, hopefully, moving on and looking for employment. The programs are designed where you work in a group, you learn the basic fundamentals of cooking and baking, and hopefully our goal is to get you out on some type of internship in the future, either in baking or in culinary, based off your skill level in the classroom. We have fun in the class where the students get involved with a lot of different projects, competitions based off the Food Network. Okay, so the students for the competition part, they will be given mystery ingredients. When we have an Iron Chef competition, they'll have to utilize the iPads to come up with recipes to prepare the various ingredients that they're given, and then the judges will come in and judge the students based off of the presentation that they make with the various food items. We also do a cake boss competition, we have a rib competition, all things that are fun and exciting, and the students really get excited with doing all these fun competitions. So I look forward to seeing you guys in September, and hope all is well. Thank you. Okay, so right now the students are involved in a pie unit. We're making pies for Thanksgiving. We're preparing pies for students themselves and also for support staff and their families. Students have been working hard for pretty much the whole month of November, learning how to make dough, how to fill the dough, and then finalize it with boxes and presentations of their stuff. This is what they've prepared so far. We've learned how to make trunk-filled pies and two-crust pies. The students right now are working at their stations. All right, they're learning how to roll the dough, place it into the pie shell. They're learning how to flute. Then they'll fill it. Depending on what type of pie they're making, they'll either roll out another top crust or they'll learn how to roll out, make crumb topping, which will eventually go on top of it for a crumb topping. So you can see the students, they're starting to prepare their stuff, get it in the oven for baking. All right, this is an industrial strength convection oven. All right, students will be doing mass quantities. Right now the oven's not filled up that much, but eventually it will all be filled. All 10 racks on this industrial oven will be utilized for pies. The program itself is not a home ec program. All right, we're designed to teach them quantity production. So the students are going to learn to make various pies. They're going to do several hundred pies for Thanksgiving, and then eventually once we get into December they'll be making several hundred pounds of cookies for Christmas. So we do quantity production in here. It's not where they're doing 1 dozen cookies or 1 pie. They're getting a realistic feel for what the industry is all about. You can see the equipment that we have in the classroom. All right, it's all state of the art. All right, it's not your Betty Crocker kitchen. All right, it's 6-turn exposed, there's grills, there's convection ovens. We're eventually going to have a pizza oven in here, but you can see that the students are learning how to work on regular industrial equipment that will lead to employment.